Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battalion. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, with my friend Bill here. We have something really cool. What happened was we were driving down the street, and I just want to show you something really quick. So Bill has a '64 Tempest for sale here, right? And which is really awesome. So I talked to him about that. You know, I'm always buying classic cars. But what happened was, and I seen this 49 Chevy, which is awesome. But then I seen this, and this is the best part out of everything. You know, I like everything. You know, anything that has wheels on it, I'm talking about it. And Bill has been building these for many years, and I just wanted him to share with us what he has here because I think this is the coolest thing. I never seen so many RC cars, and these are all gas powered, guys. Most of them are all gas powered. So, Bill, why don't you see collection a little? And
well, we got this G.I. Joe Jeep. It's a real G.I. Joe Jeep. And what is that got in it? It's got a 21 in it. Hypermotor.
Puts the lights on.
Nitro.
You built that yourself, right?
It's a Traxxas chassis, but then you add on the aluminum shocks, the motor. So
No, I don't know anything about this.
This was basically a $400 car.
Okay.
In the box, ready to go. Just buy fuel and batteries. But now, with all the aluminum stuff on it, and the motor.
We made a 21 motor. Explain that to me, because
it's a 21cc.
Okay, 21cc.
Right? Offner. Oh no, this one's an Offner. I have so much junk, I don't even remember what I have.
Well, it's pretty cool.
But they're fun.
So that's a G.I. Joe.
This is original G.I. Joe. I found it in the, one of those stores where they sell antiques and stuff.
Yeah, you put the body on the chassis.
Took the wheels off, and
that's so cool.
Yeah, you want to get an idea? You don't know nothing about these?
I have zero information. I said my cousin.
I'm half asleep, so I don't even know half. Remember half. This thing's probably 20 years old when I first started them. It's a 2-speed tranny, forward to reverse. And it probably does about 40 miles an hour.
That's so cool. What else you got here? You got some. You told me this is a weed whacker motor, right? Custom exhaust you made? Guys, these RC cars are so cool. I mean, he takes bodies from, toy cars. I think this is the Hooper car, from the show The Hooper, the turbo car that jumped the bridge. I'm not sure. He doesn't know. But check this out.
I found it at a yard sale.
This thing is awesome.
This is a 2-stroke weed whacker motor.
Oh my God.
And that has brake lights. It's only 1 speed forwards.
I think all these cars are absolutely amazing. We figured out he has over $100,000 plus in RC cars here that he's been building. This Chevy C10 pickup is pretty cool too.
Yeah. That has headlights too. That's 2 speeds.
269 Camaros. You got the school bus. Looks like Riverhead Raceway school bus. You have the 50 Chevy 3100. You have the fastback Mustang. The old 40 Ford. VW. Another Chevy. I like the T-Bird up there. Nova SS. Got some trucks, and these things are awesome.
Even got a Pinto up there.
Pinto.
72.
What's your oldest, what's your first one? You have it here?
Probably Bigfoot.
Oh, wow.
That one's electric one. I got 2 electric ones.
This one here?
No, that little one there.
The Volkswagen?
Yeah, but it's a Volkswagen top on it.
There's old, one right there. That's vintage, right?
Yeah, that's gotta be 25 years old.
Are the classic ones going up in value at all?
I don't even know if I can find parts for them.
My cousin might have them.
That's what the heck are they called again? Dortrex.
Yeah.
Axis. And that has two speeds and reverse
Those lights
too.
are on.
Yeah, put them on for you.
You know, my cousin might have parts for these. He has 360.
Yeah, but
RV.
there's like, that's a Dortrex. That's 2 speeds, forwards and backwards. That one's a Dortrex. And the rest of them are mostly T-Max.
Cool.
The Armit's the first electric one I got. That thing does almost 80.
Which one's that one?
It's black. It looks
The
like a
black
Camaro,
69?
but it's not a licensed top body.
Okay. 80 miles an hour with that black Camaro. This monster truck here says Wild Bill on it. That's pretty cool. That's a Hummer.
What brand are these now?
You got the boat back here too. You got like a...
Oh, I got a few boats.
So awesome. How fast the boats go on the water?
Those were 2-stroke weed whacker motors too, and they could do anywhere from 40 to 70 miles an hour.
Wow.
You know, it all depends how good you set them up. Different size motors.
Yeah, so this is Bill's RC car collection here, and most of them are gas powered. This is an awesome 49 panel truck here too, and he's got some cool stuff in here, guys. But just want to, you know.
Yeah. We even have a red cat down here. This one's 4-wheel drive.
Oh, I'm missing some stuff here. Wow, that thing is awesome. Look at this one, guys. That's like the...
Oops. I lost the pins. Okay. The only thing is, these are heavy. This is 4-wheel drive.
That thing is awesome. Exhaust on that thing.
That's all aftermarket stuff.
Can you start it up? This one. Pull start.
Yes.
30cc motor in there. Whoa. Wow. That's pretty wild.
This thing only probably goes about 30. But there
That's so
again, you
cool.
can modify them. Yeah, be a good girl.
Wow. 30cc. I mean, basically, they make 50cc dirt bikes for kids. Probably sit on this thing and drive it around.
Well, yeah. I think they make an 80cc. They make
Wow.
a twin cylinder too. I don't remember what size that was.
This thing is cool. Well, guys, just want to thank Bill for showing us his RC collection.
Thanks for looking.
Yeah, they're pretty awesome. So what happens is you find classic cars, and then you meet a nice person, shows us another classic car, and I walked in the garage, and I see all these beautiful RC cars here. So, guys, thank you so much. Like this, video. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification. I got more videos coming up. Check out that 69 pace car I found in the woods today also as well, going through my videos. Check out all my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.